Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility, age limits, required prior degree, and the minimum percent. Once done, gather core documents: ID, degree certificate, mark sheets, passport-style photo, and a clear signature scan. Then create your account on the official portal, make sure to record your login, and check the application fee and deadline. This first push prevents errors later, because once you begin the form process, you will be validated step by step and cannot skip mandatory fields. You now fill core sections methodically: personal info, contact details, and academic history. Enter names and dates exactly as on official ID to avoid mismatch. Next, upload documents in the portal's required formats, compress PDFs if size exceeds limits, and preview each upload. Then select course options and college preferences, indicate reservation category if applicable, and complete the provisional fee payment. Make sure to save progress after each major section, because the portal may time out and you don't want to lose entered data. You finish by thoroughly reviewing the entire application, check spellings, document matches, and course choices, then submit and download the confirmation PDF and payment receipt. Store copies in multiple places and note any reference number and helpline details. These are crucial for later correspondence. If anything goes wrong, for example, an upload fails or validation flag appears, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and contact the portal help desk within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.